Home improvement and pro tip. The cheapest paint isn't always the best paint to use when trying to cover up dark colors. Sometimes when we're doing a project, we like to save some money, but it's not always the best to try and save money on the paint itself. When you buy the low-end paints that are matte finish, you're often going to see this kind of coverage, where it's, if it's a darker color in the background, you can see the dark color come through, which means you have to put more coats on, which is totally fine. But sometimes when you buy an eggshell satin paint rather than the matte paint, you're going to get better coverage in the long run, and you're going to need less coats. I came into this job as the fixer for somebody who got the wrong paint, and I'm having to do extra coats now. Look at this room. It was gray, and you can see all of the streaks in there. Our job is to fix it with the paint that we do have. So it just means we're going to have to work extra hard, put extra coats on, and the labor is going to go up because of paint. If you want to save on labor, get the better paint. It's not a judgment call. Every paint has its purpose, and for this room, we needed different paint. And perhaps the number one pro tip I can offer is when doing jobs like this, and you know you need to put extra